Welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. On today's episode, we're going to do a New Orleans-inspired cocktail. It's one of my favorite cocktails, even though no one ever pronounces it right. Let's make a Vieux Carré, New Orleans' answer to the question, what if an old-fashioned had a PhD and a mysterious past? Without further ado, let's get into it. I'm a bad one. To make a Vieux Carré, you're going to need the following. Rye whiskey for the spice and the drama. Cognac for smooth talking and poor financial decisions. Sweet vermouth, because everything needs a base and this is it. Benedictine, otherwise known as monk juice or herby chaos syrup. And 2 different kinds of bitters, because apparently one emotional problem isn't enough. So I'm going to start with a rocks glass and a large wall ice. I'll set this in there and we'll let it temper while we make our drink. We'll go ahead and set this to the side for right now. Now grab your mixing glass and we're going to start by adding 3/4 of an ounce of rye whiskey. This is the spine of the drink. Next, we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of cognac. This is the soul of the drink. Now we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. This is the smooth jazz of the drink. Next up, 1/4 ounce of Benedictine. This is going to be the unexpected plot twist of the drink. Finally, our bitters. We're going to add 2 dashes of actually Peychauds for that New Orleans sass. I have a Japanese bottle, so it's double for me. And we're going to add 1 dash of Angostura. This is the adult supervision in the drink. I'll add some ice to the mixing glass and then we're going to stir gently. Stir this like you're reminiscing about a lost love, or maybe a good sandwich. Now you want to grab your strainer, and we're going to strain this into a rocks glass. The final touch, we're going to garnish with a lemon twist. Now make sure it's a twist, not a wedge. You're not at a brunch. So let's strip off here. Go ahead and express that over our drink. And there you have it, the Vieux Carré. It's rich, boozy, slightly herbal, like an old professor who definitely partied harder than he'll admit. Let's go in for a taste. Cheers, y'all. The Vieux Carré tastes like downtown New Orleans at 1 a.m., but it behaves like it has reservations at a jazz club. It's complex, balanced. I get vanilla, caramel with some hint of herbs. It's like a sweet Manhattan, but even better. I truly do enjoy this cocktail. The Vieux Carré Hard to say, even harder to stop drinking. It's like New Orleans in a glass, charming, confusing, and if you have enough of these, you'll probably end up dancing. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I truly appreciate the support. I'll keep bringing you whiskey-related content. If there's something specific you'd like to see, or if you try this version of the Vieux Carré, let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time.